Okay, go. Shh.
Boop. Ow! They stabbed me in the face, in the neck, in the ear.
You don't like to get booped. He wanted Newman's bone. Try to boop Noomy, see what happens. Noom, come and get booped by Dad. Noom, come here. Newman, Newman. Newman. Boop him, Dad. Boop. Boop him, Papa.
Newman will like it.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Boop. Noomy. Boop. Boop. Hank turned around. Penny, do you want to get booped? Boop. Oh, my beautiful Zoomy Noomy. Oh, him's a good boy. Yes, he is. My big Zoomin' Newman, my big Black Panther. Oh, him's so pretty. Him's such a beautiful baby boy. Yes, you are. And Mama's beautiful baby boy, Noomy. Hi, Mama's beautiful baby boy. Yes, you are, Mama's sweet boy. Oh, you did a little hoppy. How do you know he's not participating in the whole digging in the backyard, Dad? Because you never holler at him for digging holes in the bed. So how do you know he's not participating in it?
He does a little bit whenever Hank does it, but Hank is usually the one that does it.
You've eyewitnessed Hank doing it.
Yeah.
Do you holler at him when he's doing it?
Yeah.
Does he stop?
Yeah.
Well, at least he listens. Look at what your dog's doing to mine. Do you think this is because he humps his head all the time? This is payback? But yours doesn't have the humping thought process anymore because he doesn't have his nuts? Noom, what are you doing to him?
Poor Hank's pinned down.
Newman, what are you doing to Hanky?